Doggies for tuning into my channel and photo. I would like to show you today how to change the battery on this Renault Clio. So you have to remove this little thing here, which is with this clip. So you push this clip, push this clip, then move it somewhere. There, here is another clip, push it inside, remove this, and then we can get crack on it. There's a little other cover, but this is all self-explanatory, because you just pull this little little lips here, and then it should come out. And if it doesn't come out, then it's gonna break off, and this is also not the end of the world as we know it. Right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this here and take this battery off. This is very rusty, so a little bit of a problem because I don't have a WD-40 on me, but let's crack on it anyway, and it gives you at least a rough idea how it's done. Now, by telling you this, I'm not a mechanic, so this is maybe for the housewife or the man who plays the housewife at home to impress the wife or the boyfriend. So this is certainly not done by a professional, but I think I will be all right. So I've got some tools now. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that fits right away, so it's a tenner. Can put it this way as well if it fits, because it's so rusty. If it doesn't want to damage it, because otherwise I'm gonna have a problem. So move it a little bit back and forward first, yeah, and then just clockwise get it off. Smells a bit like weed here. I have no idea why, but I think this battery is broken anyway. I'm gonna give it a charge certainly, but I think this has its sell by date. Right, okay. It's not moving at all, which is not ideal, but the reason it's not ideal because I don't really have another screwdriver to kind of gap it open. A little bit better, but still it's like embedded. Wow, okay. I would need a screwdriver to kind of force this. Oppa, now it's better. Right. Just gently move it off. Well, you don't need to be gentle, but depends what you're doing. Okay, now this is also number 10, which is good. I'll take this plate off so then we can see the screw underneath it. Right, okay, this plate. And this is also good to film when you do it, because if you forget on the way back how things were, then it's obviously much easier to if you film the whole thing. Now this is a little bit crazy here because I don't really have access. Oh wow, whoever designed it must have been a very sad person. My god, dumb as hell. How the hell am I gonna get to the screw? Jesus. Oh wow, this is disgusting. I can't go to the screw. My god. How the hell am I gonna go to that screw? Oh, that is not fun, I have to say. There's no way to go to this screw. Okay, I can remove the battery, of course, without getting to this screw. That's not an issue. But this is still nasty. This is nasty. You can't go to the bloody screw. Oh wow. Okay, now. Can I reach there? No, too short. Oh god. Oh god. No. The way it looks, guys, I can't do it because I would need a very long ratchet here to reach that screw on the bottom. The only way I might be able to go to it is with this. Yeah, this could go in there, but certainly this is not the right. This is just not right. That is a dumb design, I have to say. Ay, ay, ay. You gotta love the French, man. You gotta love the French. Yeah. Okay, maybe with this extension. Maybe with extension I'll be able to. Alright, that's lucky. That is lucky. Okay, that is lucky. But look, guys, I've got like a double extension here. So with this it worked out. I mean, yes, okay, a decent mechanic would have this extension. There's no issue. That's no question about that. But still, an absolute pain in the bozo. Certain people can refer to this, right? And then you will need this as well if you're doing it at home. I have to say, maybe for the housewife, this is not the right job. I mean, I'm pretty sure that many women can do that. Absolutely no question about that. But it's a bit it's a bit fiddly. It's a bit fiddly, and I don't have piano fingers either. So to put that screw back there, that will be good fun. That will be good fun. I'm already looking forward to it a lot. Right, but now this removes the battery, which is good. Now you unplug this. This is if the battery overloads and kicks out some acid. But look at this design, guys. Look at this design. I mean, why? How am I gonna get there? I'm not gonna bother taking it off now because I'm gonna just charge the battery, so I save myself some time. But if this battery is completely effed, then basically I have to get it off. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm gonna cut it off, so it's no issue. But still, an absolute idiotic design. Brainless. You have little play. You have just a little play. I mean, you can fit in there, yes. You can fit in there. It can be done. But completely unnecessary to take. Anyway, so I'm going to take this battery, put on charge. Let's see what happens. Now, this is what I was on about. This screw. It has a like a hex. So you can, if you don't have a long ratchet, then you might be able to do it that way. But to put that screw back here, that will be good fun. That will be very good fun because it's absolutely no space here. Yeah, it's less space in here like in a Virgin. Unbelievable. But anyway, this is what it is, and I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna try to charge this battery, which is supposed to be dead. And if it's dead, then I have to buy another one. As simple as that. Wasting money left, right, and center. Right now, donkey dogs for tuning in the channel, and I hope you learned something. I'm gonna do another video how I'm gonna put it back later on today. So for now, au revoir.